Now let's connect PayPal on your store. So PayPal is one of the most common payment methods that people like to use when they buy online. So let me show you how to add this on your store. Just make sure that you are in application, app markets, and payments, and then scroll down at the bottom of the page and here activate the application WooCommerce PayPal payments. Okay, great. Now we have the application. Just click on access. Okay, great. And now we have PayPal here at the bottom of this page. The PayPal standard that we have here on the list, you can just ignore it. We are not going to use it. We are going to use the latest version of PayPal, which is this one here at the bottom that we have just added with the application. Then the next thing is we need a PayPal account. So if you already have one, then that's great. But if you don't have a PayPal account, the first thing to do is to create one. So for doing, go to paypal.com and then click on sign up. And here, when you sign up, make sure that you choose a business account, because with a personal account, you won't be able to accept payments. So you need a business account to be able to charge people on your online store. Then after you have your account, the next step is to connect it to your store. So if you need some more time to create your account, or if you don't have it yet, then you can just skip this part of the course and just come back to it later, because now I will show you how to connect your account to your store. So for me, I already have my account. So to connect it, click on Finish Setup here. Then select the option to accept credit and debit card on your store. And then you can choose between advanced card processing or standard card processing. This is really up to you and what you want to use. For me, I will choose advanced card processing. And then you just click on activate PayPal. Then you have this little pop-up that will ask you to sign up. Just log in to your PayPal account. So let's do that. And after that, agree and connect. You can give them feedback if you want. I will close it and then just go back to WooCommerce. Then just wait for the page to reload, and then here we go. We have all the information that are already set up for us, so that's great. We just want to enable the PayPal gateway here at the top. And then we have a few options that you can change if you want. So this one, title and description, you want to keep it like this. It's just to say that people can pay with PayPal, so it's good like this. Then you probably want to enable the settings here to require instant payment, so people pay instantly on your store. Then in brand name, put the name of your brand, so then your customer can remember what was the payment for. Okay, then in landing page, you can choose what happened when people click on the pay with PayPal button. Either they can go to the login page on PayPal, or they can go to the billing page on PayPal and then pay with their credit card. So I think it makes more sense to use the login page, because we can assume that people who want to pay with PayPal already have a PayPal account. So the next thing that they want to do is to log into their account and then pay. So I think it makes more sense to use this one. Then PayPal offers multiple ways to pay. You can just hide them here if you want. And then you can change the invoice prefix here again to just put your brand. There is a limit in the number of characters that you can put here, so that's okay if you cannot put everything. And then you have some option to enable or disable the PayPal button on various pages. The checkout, the single product page, and the cart page. So for me, I will just keep it on the checkout. So I will just disable on product and cart. Okay. I will also disable the pay later, because that's a feature where you need to apply first to PayPal to get. So I don't have it, but in case you want to offer pay later, then you can apply for it. And after you have that, you can offer that as well on your store. So for me, I will just disable for now. I will disable on the mini cart as well. This one too. And the pay later on checkout. So I only keep the PayPal button on the checkout. And then we have a few options to change the design of the button. I will keep it like this for now. And then we can save. Okay, great. So now we can go on our store and see how it looks like. I will open that into a new tab. Okay, let's go to the cart and then checkout. Okay, great. So now we have two options for payments, either credit card via Stripe that we set up just earlier into this course, and then the PayPal option. And then when we click on it, it opens the PayPal pop-up and then people can pay on my store. So, okay, great for the first PayPal button. Then below that, by default, we have another button. This means debit card in French, because my browser is in French. It automatically adapts to my language. So I don't want to have this button to pay by card here via PayPal, because we already have it here via Stripe, so we don't need to have two options. It's really confusing. To disable this button, just go back to the settings and into hide funding sources, just select credit or debit cards. Then save. Okay, then let's go back to our store. Let's refresh the page. Great, and now when we select PayPal, then there's only the option to pay via PayPal. So that's perfect. That's what we want. And then we have two additional settings tab, Webhook status and PayPal card processing. So both of them, you can ignore them for now. You don't need that to accept payment on your store. Now you have set up PayPal on your store and you will be able to accept payment through PayPal. So everything is good. You don't need anything more. Into Webhooks, you will find just some information about the connection between your store and PayPal. Just leave it like this. Don't touch anything. It's fine. And into PayPal card processing, you will find additional PayPal features such as vaulting and enabling subscription via PayPal. This feature just need to be enabled first by the PayPal team on your PayPal account. So first you can check if you want to use this feature or not. And if you don't, then you can just leave it like this. And if you do, then you need to apply through PayPal first. So that's it on how to connect PayPal to your online store. Now our store is fully set up to accept payments. Our customer can pay on our online store. So that's super. And let's keep going to the next section.